Today I am reviewing the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fry. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja AF141 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer is a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone who wants healthy, delicious meals without the extra oil and hassle of traditional frying. Designed with air crisp technology, this air fryer circulates superheated air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit around your food, creating crispy, golden results that are just as satisfying as deep-fried dishes, but with up to 75% less fat. Whether you're cooking French fries, chicken wings, vegetables, or even frozen snacks, the Ninja AF141 ensures your meals come out evenly cooked, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to enjoy their favorite fried foods without guilt, while still keeping the process fast and convenient. One of the standout features of the Ninja AF141 is its large 5-quart capacity, which allows you to cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in a single batch. This is perfect for families, gatherings, or meal prepping for the week. The Nonstick basket and crisper plate make cleaning up after cooking incredibly easy, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. The design is also compact and space-saving, allowing it to fit neatly on your countertop without sacrificing capacity or performance. The 4-in-1 functionality is another major advantage of this model. You can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all with one appliance. Air frying gives you the crispy texture of fried foods with little to no oil. Roasting allows you to prepare perfectly cooked meats and vegetables. Reheating keeps leftovers warm without drying them out, and dehydrating lets you make healthy snacks like dried fruits, vegetables, or jerky. This versatility makes the Ninja AF141 ideal for anyone who wants to cook a wide variety of meals without cluttering their kitchen with multiple appliances. Cooking frozen foods is quick and convenient with the Ninja AF141. Items like frozen fries, chicken nuggets, or seafood can be cooked to a crispy finish in just minutes, making it ideal for busy weeknights or quick lunches. The temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you flexibility for everything from gentle dehydration to high-temperature crisping, and intuitive controls make it simple to select the perfect setting for each dish. The included chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts provide guidance and inspiration, helping beginners and seasoned cooks alike explore a variety of meals and techniques with confidence. Finally, the Ninja AF141 is designed to enhance your cooking experience with convenience, efficiency, and style. The combination of a non-stick basket, crisper plate, and easy-to-clean design, along with its modern gray finish, ensures that it not only performs exceptionally, but also looks good on your countertop. Its 5-quart capacity, 4-in-1 functionality, and air crisp technology make it a versatile and reliable appliance for everyday cooking, whether you're preparing family dinners, party snacks, or healthy meals. If you're looking for a way to cook faster, healthier, and tastier meals without the mess, the Ninja AF141 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer is an excellent investment that brings efficiency, flavor, and convenience to your kitchen.